Hi, I'm Tony Wise. I am a technical agronomist for a seed company. The seed company is Channel Seeds. Channel Seeds is a brand that is owned by Bayer Crop Science. If any of you are familiar with Bayer aspirin, Bayer is the same company. I live in Mankato, Minnesota. I cover the southwest part of Minnesota. I grew up in Iowa on a farm, which is partly what led me into a career in agriculture. And so I went to college at Iowa State University in Ames, Iowa, and then have been in the seed industry for about the last 20 years, bouncing in various roles all the way from sales and marketing and agronomy. Part of what I do is I spend a lot of time with growers and our sales folks at Channel. We call them seedsmen. Our seedsmen are the ones that actually sell the product, and so I spend a lot of time training and looking at our products in the field and helping work between all of those groups in positioning the products so that our growers have the best possible result at the end of the year. And my role, I would say, kind of bounces around a little bit, but the ag, food, and natural resources section, the green one, is where I'm probably squarely landed. But I would say with my career, there's a fair amount of business management and administration, as well as engineering, manufacturing, and technology would be secondary. I brought a couple of tools along that I use fairly frequently. One of the things that I do use, this is a soil probe. So this is the business end, this is the handle. You shove this down into the soil, and it takes a core of soil, and you take that soil and send it into a lab, and they analyze it for various things, mainly fertility, but there are other things that you can use it for. So that's one tool that I use. This right here is a telescoping population pole. So this will telescope out to about 26 feet, I believe. And basically you can take this and lay it right down along the crop, and it's got measurements on here to tell how far you are, so you can actually know how many plants per acre there are out in the field. And the last one back here is a new one for me, but with digital ag coming along, flying a drone, taking some pictures, giving kind of a bird's eye view of the field is extremely helpful in agriculture today, and there's a lot of interesting things going on with drones. So I hope you pick a career in ag if it fits you, and good luck.